Downloading your account data from Wells Fargo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and save your financial information. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website and enter your username and password to log into your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Activity. Once logged in, find the Accounts tab on the main menu. Click on it to view your account activity and transaction history. Step 3. Select the account. Choose the specific account from which you want to download data. This could be a checking, savings, or credit card account. Step 4. Access download options. Look for an option that says download or export. This is usually located near your transaction history. Click on it to see the available formats for downloading your data. Step 5. Choose format and download. Select the desired file format such as CSV, PDF, or Excel and specify the date range for the data you want to download. Click the download button to save the file to your device. Now you have successfully downloaded your account data from Wells Fargo. Make sure to store it securely for future reference.